In Ghana, two plants tell a story about the human heart, maize and the groundnut. One towers above the earth, the other hides its treasure beneath it. Maize, or Zea maize, is a generous but jealous plant. It grows quickly, stretching high to claim the light. When it tassels, it can choke the smaller vegetables growing in its shadow. It is a plant of the moment. Maize is quick to yield, but also quick to fail if the rains are late. Once harvested, it leaves no lasting trace in the soil. It serves a season, then it is gone. Then there is the groundnut, known botanically as Arachis Hypogea. The name literally means nut under the earth. It does not seek the grandeur of the heights, it creeps modestly along the ground. Unlike maize, the ground bears its fruit out of sight. It requires patience. If you harvest too soon, you find nothing. If you wait, you find a crop that is persistent and fruitful in secret. Even when pods are lost during harvest, they remain in the soil to sprout again next year. This plant stays. It roots itself beyond the season, returning time and again. This botanical reality gives us the proverb, "Plant me groundnuts, not corn." It is a request for a love that isn't a ledger of quick returns, but a commitment to the long view. From the oil to the soups and snacks like kuli-kuli, the ground nourishes us in a way that lasts. To love like a ground is to sow what grows deep, outlasting the storms and the harvests. If you wish for a bond that endures, do not reach for the corn. Plant ground, for what is done in love is done forever. Discover more about the language of the earth in my book, Botanical Wisdom from West Africa, available now on Amazon.